Hello again. I bought myself this little Union all brass cabinet lock off eBay. Didn't cost me much money, but I just like the looks of it. I thought, oh, I'll get that. So yeah, it came this morning. So it's a lovely little lock, and it comes with the original key. It's a 4-pinner. The bitting ain't too bad, and the key works fine. So yeah, I think I'll keep that because it didn't cost a lot of money, but being all brass, I just think I'll keep that in my little collection of all brass locks. So let's see if we can pick it open. Nice little lock, this. Didn't take much to open it there. But that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, isn't it? Still a cute little lock there. So that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Try it a bit.